Let's Green, Digital and Animate Rural Inclusive Territories. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the ANPCDEFP. Neither the European Union nor the ANPCDEFP can be held responsible for them. Module 2. Become a successful community policy officer using CLLD LEADER into European framework. Story. Developing a professional network, reaching out to and meeting with people in a professional context.
Hello, Rosa, and Happy New Year. I'm glad to see you. I hope you have positive energy for the whole year.
You know that us, community developer officers, have no time to rest. But same for you, as the LAG manager. So many things to be done at the beginning of a new year.
Let me grab my laptop. I have some questions for you. Can you follow me to the meeting room?
What did you want to ask me?
I had a bit of time to explore the European Network of Rural Development Platform, and it seems extremely useful for connecting with other LAGs across Europe.
Yes, it's a perfect tool for cooperation projects. I understand you want to start building your own network.
So far, all I've managed to do is create my account as a LAG manager. And I've looked around the database a bit.
Let me show you what you can do. You enter your LAG's contact details, LAG funding details, cooperation details, projects implemented by the LAG, and documents. Then you press Ask for Publishing. I have access to a friend's LAG account. He already has several completed cooperation projects, and is currently looking for partners in Italy, Greece, and Ireland for some ongoing ones.
I see. How can I do that?
Here you have active offers and expired ones. You can also search cooperation offers by country and the project's topic. Have you thought about your desired topic?
Yes, partially. I think I am interested in cultural heritage, branding, and innovation. I believe our area is rich in culture and traditions, but it also needs to be more digitalized.
So you have really big plans for the next year. I wish you success.
Thanks to the GAL, we managed to open this room for those who visit our area. Our project has been a real success.
I appreciate your perseverance as beneficiaries. Thank you for all your work in turning your grandparents' house into a museum open to everyone.
I understand you've come with a new opportunity for us. What do you mean by transnational cooperation project?
I will bring partners from Spain, Greece, and Ireland this year. I found several girls with experience in cultural heritage cooperation projects, and we will exchange experiences, have working visits, and develop a mobile application.
I know you wrote us an email about this. An app that any tourist can use to explore our village. Tourists from all over Europe will come to us. It will be wonderful.
Rosa, I just found the first beneficiaries of the transnational cooperation project. Johan and Violetta and their traditional house will be a tourist attraction on the map, and they are willing to host project partners.
That's great news. Now you should write a plan, set project objectives, and directly communicate with the partners once they accept your request on the platform.
I'm glad you all agree with the title. It seems very suggestive to me. Come and see. This will be our new cooperation project. We have found some of our partners. We will be working with Spain, Greece, and Ireland, and we've also placed several offers to see who responds.
The project's objective is to promote local heritage. We will create an app and a map at the European level featuring traditional tourist attractions from each partner country.
And the ENRD platform will help us establish our own network. We will connect with many LAGs across Europe in the future.
That means we can start collaborations anytime and receive cooperation offers.
Exactly, thank you. An exciting and busy period is ahead for our LAG. I know you're all eager, so let's get to work.
Scenario realized by GAL Napoca Poralison. Technical design realized by Edu4.